Hey guys, we're back. As most of you know, you've probably seen our last video of Blaze and I reconnecting in Australia after 14 years. And we decided to shoot a POV video together here in the city as well, doing a bit of photography, having a bit of fun, and just exploring the city. So thank you guys so much for all of the support. It means so much to us. Subscribe, follow the journey. There's definitely more on the way.
If we see some stylish shops,
We should stop them. It's like this street as well, that's usually pretty popular, no?
We've also launched a new preset pack that you guys can get your hands on. We have 6 presets available, so I'll leave a link in the description so you can check those out. Those will help you a lot with your nighttime photography.
how's it going, mate? Shooting strangers, would you like a shoot today? I'll send them to you on Instagram, mate.
Okay, should we get deeper in? I feel like this would be cool, just stand here in the middle. Stand there in the middle. Yeah. And now walking towards me. Yeah. Stay there, stay. Go back a little bit further. A little more. Okay, and now you want to walk in a straight line. Yeah? Don't look in the camera, not in the camera. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. Huh?
Sorry that I looked at the camera.
But those ones walking look cool. With the car reflecting with the lights.
Oh, hey, stranger.
Hey, thanks.
You like a couple portraits?
Yes.
And I do portraits with people around, and when I really like that style. Yo guys, you should totally hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe. Where are you guys from? Do you live here in Melbourne?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I live in Spain.
Yeah. Tell by your accent.
This one, who's your bread? This one, who's your bread?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys will be in the video. It's
really?
recording right now.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's out. Oh, this old Buy Korean. Guys, the other night we tried this Korean place in there called Buy Korean.
So good.
And it was insane.
Fantastic.
You never know, we might end up there again tonight. Wow, that guy was some stylish mafia guy. Man, I feel like if we had a stranger like right in here, it would look so cool. Do one like this, standing to the side and looking this way? Yeah, like this, and then looking up here, yeah. Yeah, towards the camera. Yeah, look at these with the lights. They look so...
Oh, that's sick. Yeah. The lights.
Oh, hell no. Should we see what the reviews are? Let's see.
Let's see.
What do you think how many stars do you think they have?
4.6 or 3.4? It's somewhere in the threes. Or 4.6 max.
Somewhere in the 3s.
4.6 max.
If it's in the 3s, we ain't going.
4.6 max.
What's it called? Night buns? Or yang?
It's either night buns or yanga. So, where'd you get yanga from?
No, because it says here, Nanyang Express.
Yang Express.
Yang Express or night buns. I don't know, it's like one of them. Or was it this one?
What's the naming?
Like, who came up with these names? So wait,
Nanyang Express. Night buns.
Shanghai, mate.
Shanghai.
It's called Shanghai, mate.
Going in at Shanghai.
Let's go and get there, Shanghai, mate. It's like a true Londoner. 4.2. Strangers.
Get someone's license plate in there.
That's some true street photography. Oh, like this on the side.
Oh.
Yeah.
See.
See.
I want to see try to do that with the 50mm lens.
I love how you're like, I'm gonna try and do that, and then he pulls away. He's like laters.
What sort of attitude?
Look at that bokeh. Looks like a traffic light.
Yes.
Just like every single shot you take. Blaze is just harassing all of the plastic animals, the sharks. It smells good in here though. Guys, look at this. There are like so many people here tonight. Music better not get me demonetized. But check this out, guys. Here's a Melbourne bar. The lights. Yeah, that looks cool. And now we can take photos of the Korean food. It's not living the life. This Korean chicken is the best. I feel like on the GoPro it doesn't do it justice.
Like if you live in Melbourne or you're coming to Melbourne for a trip, please come here.
Like it gets better every time.
I know.
And like look at the chicken. Watch Blaze when he eats it. Watch Blaze when he eats it. Let's see, let's see. No, like seriously, heaven. We're like animals in here, guys. We're just like, that planet's gone. So good. See.
Actually.
Yeah. You guys, Blaze is gonna ask. Blaze really wants to ask the stranger.
No, wait till it's
Here
done.
it is.
Wait till it's done. You take the photos. I was like, me and...
I'll take the photos you
Yeah,
ask.
so I
We
said-
can both take.
I was like, me and my dad are like photographers.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry. Your bike's like really cool. You look really cool. Me and my dad are like photographers. Do you want like some photos like of your bike and everything?
No, I didn't get it. What is that?
Pardon?
I didn't get that.
Oh, sorry. Me and my dad are photographers, and your bike's like cool. Do you want like photos with your bike and stuff?
Me?
Yeah.
I will be in the picture.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to, yeah. You can get some cool photos on like on the bike, like or just chilling with us.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
want to sit on the bike?
Sit on the bike.
You
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
send me the pictures?
Yeah,
For
yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, you have this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stranger.
Stranger, first stranger. You asked for a stranger. Yes.
Cool, man.
Yes.
Could you please send me
That looks like, yeah, sure. Smashed it, Blaze. Smashed it. Boom. And you were just like, you were a pro. I mean, you were just like such a pro, like asking him.
I get some good photos.
No, that looks cool. That's a good shot. Yeah. 50 looks sick. Like, who's your Brad? First one, yes.
Thank you, man. See you guys.
Okay, bye.
That's probably the most random part of that guy's day. He's just going on
I know, like-
or something, and then some kid like, me
Awesome.
and my dad are photographers. You can tell that I don't really look like a photographer though, because like, that one's not too bad.
Let's see them. Yeah, they look cool. Like, this looks cool. This one looks cool.
Yeah. See? First stranger guy.
He could be in the thumbnail, no?
Yeah, he could, yeah. Alright, we'll get one more stranger on the way home. I know.
He's hyped. He's hyped. Yeah, yeah.
How about him?
So what a good day. We have
I
Koreans,
just saw
strangers.
him, like, I was like, how much big?
Because with all of the lights. With 3.
Let me know.
Yes.
But what if I find it? I'm like, oh.
But they're allowed to be, like, we're allowed to take photos of people.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Yeah, it's part of the law. It's a guy, mate. I'm shooting the strangers.
How's it going, mate? I'm shooting strangers. Would you like a shoot today? I'll send them to you on Instagram, mate. Hit the subscribe button. It's a really good.
Yo, guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing some portraits of strangers. Oh my god. Destroyed.
How was he not arrested?
Yeah, he's like, and that guy's pretty old as well.
What is it?
Do you guys, I don't know about guys, if you're like, do you guys know the guy that I'm talking about? He's like super rude. He does that in New York. He's old, he's like 60 or 70. Let's both see like if we can get them.
Today I'm flying to Australia. Oh no, where did it go? Today I'm flying to Australia to see my son.
What's in my eye? Oh, sorry, do you mind, do you?
Do we grab this?
Let me grab this. City Vibes, City Vibes. Tell me. Blaze, what's up? We're here, we found this super cool alley. It's giving us some American vibes, so we're gonna shoot some things here. Blaze, look how crazy these look on the 85.
Oh, jeez, that looks good.
That's insane, no?
The 85, my homie. 85. Wow. The 85, man. And the detail, the 85 is my new.
From here, like, look at this. So I have a YouTube channel, and tonight I'm doing pictures of strangers.
Please don't.
And I want to, no, you look super cool, and the outfit too. So we just found like this super cool place here, which you already know.
Yeah.
But on the lens it looks sick if you want to try some. And I'll send you the pictures.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
I mean, I don't know.
Yes, look, let me show you, wait. You have to do portraits like this. Usually I live in Barcelona, but...
Oh, they look nice.
Yes, that looks sick.
Who's your brother?
Who's your
I'll follow
brother?
you. I'm actually follow you.
And then in a couple of days I'll send you the pictures when you're ready.
Oh, okay. That's
Like
so
the link with the
cool.
pictures.
Okay, that's good.
Nice,
I'll give you
what's-
some free ice cream.
See?
Yeah,
Thanks. Lace, ice cream. She said she'll just give us some free ice cream. So that's gonna be our ice cream. Look, we manifested that because Blaze was just like, I want some ice
I
cream.
got you some behind the scenes as well.
Where do you feel, would you like better Albania? Or no? Better. Man, Europe is the bomb, like compared to, no? How come you moved here then?
My husband is from here. It's not that beautiful.
It's beautiful, guys. Give us a like if you think it's beautiful. Okay guys, see you later. Bye, thank you.
The shop was outside and we got her to get some photos as well, and she gave me me and my dad free ice cream. Thank you.
Thank you guys again for all of the support. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for all of the love on the video with Blaze and I reconnecting. It is really special to see all of you guys in there. Blaze and I have some more content coming together, and we're planning on doing something so we can connect with all of you guys that have showed us some love in the comments. So thanks a lot guys, we'll see you very soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit the like, drop us a comment, say hi, and we will see you in the next video. Keep smashing your projects.